Good evening everyone. So akong topic day is all about the fish amino acid. So para sa tuwa unsa na siya ang fish amino acid. So ang fish amino acid is kini siya is usa ni siya ka ng natural nga foliar fertilizer nga kanang ginahimo pinaagi sa pagburo or pagfermentations sa isda gamit ang kanang molasses o asukar. So kani siya is gamit kini siya sa organic farming para mapalig-on ang pagtubo sa tanong. Fish amino acids is first is it serves as a natural sources of amino acids. So ang kanidong fish amino acid is ginaserve daw siya as a natural sources sa animals. So second is kanang ginaserve po siya as a natural sources sa plants. So third is protein for animals. Fourth is soil conditioning sa land preparations. So ang ingredients ana niya is 1 kilo trash fish and gills, scales, offals of big fish or kanang kohol. So isa pod ka kilo nga molasses or kanang muscorado, sugar, tinugay. So ang ratio ana niya is 1:1. Isa ka kilo nga trash fish tapos isa pod ka kilo nga molasses. So ang other materials ana nga kanang ginagamit is marking pin, masking tape, and Manila paper, rubber band or kanang elastic band, and sterilized tune, and PPE or personal protective equipment, mask, hairnet, gloves, and apron, and nylon screen, clean plastic pail, hand towel, knife, and chopping board, weighting scale, calibrator, and ladle wood if available. So 1 kilo of molasses is equal to 800 ml when using a calibrator. So nana siya by step no on how to fermentations. So one is kanang wash the fish, is example ana nga isda is kanang tamban. So after wetting, so kadua is kanang drain for 5 minutes. So katulo is slice to an inch size. Kaupat is mix all parts truly in a clean plastic pail. So kalima is mix with 1 kilo of molasses truly. So 6 is put a nylon screen on top of the mixture and kanang evenly put 5 to 8 pieces sterilized kanang stone about 25 to 50 grams. So 7 is wipe the mess with clean plain cloth or kanang towel. So ang 8 is cover with 2 layered Manila paper and tie with an elastic band. So 9 is put label on a kanang masking tape with following information. So ang A is name of the concoctions, B is date of fermentations, and C is date of harvest. So 10 is paste it on the top of the Manila paper. So 11 is keep in dark, cool room for 15 days undisturbed and safe from stray animals. So ang counting ana niya is mag-start on the day of sa pag-ferment. So sa NOC is sa fermentations is DOF is January 5, 2019. So, sa DOH is January 10, 2019. So ang instructions ani niya is 1 is open the mixture after 15 days. So second is filter the liquid using the nylon screen and keep it on plastic container. So do not close the cup tightly. So loosen the cup approximately 1 complete twice. So third is complete close the cup after a week or when there are no bubbles going up. Fourth is concoctions is ready to use after extraction. So ang applications ani niya sa plants is first is apply 2 tablespoons of fish amino acid mixed with 1 liter of water at least twice a week. So in severe cases, double the dosage. So second is drench to the plants base and nervous soil. So sa animals, ang application sa animals is first is mix 2 tablespoon of fish amino acid and to 1 liter of water to deer feeds and water supply. So at least twice a week or as desired. So concoctions can be utilized up to 6 months.
So, good day everyone, and my name is Mark Anton T. Martelias, the reporter of Group 6. So, let's continue our report. And my report, it's all about fermented fruit juice, FFG. So, when it comes to our mind, what is fermented fruit juice? So, fermented fruit juice, FFG, serves as a natural taste enhancer, animals, also source of vitamins for animals. It serves as a natural fruit sweetener, fruit-bearing plants, fruit inducer, source of potassium. Okay. So, ingredients. The ingredients of fermented fruit juice no is nadayan nakalis KJ banana fruit, saba, lakatan, latundan, cardava, etc. And ripe papaya, watermelon, molasses or muscovado sugar, kinugay, ratio of 1.1 fruit molasses, and other materials nila is marking pen, masking tape, manila paper, rubber band, elastic band, calibrator, sterilizer stone, PPE also dapat magamit jud kana.
So the procedure of producing FPG is first is i-wash nimo ang katong mga ingredients, and then ikuan nimo siya, i-drain, tapos after ana is timbangon nimo siya kung pila siya ka kilo, and then cut into inch size, and then ang ratio niya is 1:1. So 1:1 is 1 kilo nga ingredients nimo is equal to 1 liter nga molasses, tapos mix it thoroughly in one direction only, put net and spoon above, tapos use the manila paper to cover the concoction, and also put the rubber band, tapos 11 nimo siya kung unsa siya nga name, and then kung unsa pod siya nga kanang concoction nga imong gi-ferment, and then after 7 days mao na to ang finished product nimo. So sa application sa plant, spray at the flower of the fruit plants and in 1 to 2 times a week, tapos in animals application is mix the concoction into the drinking water or feeds. And then ang function niya sa plant is test enhancer, fruit sweetener, and source of potassium. Sa animals food is source of vitamins and minerals, and also improve the meat quality. So mao ra to, and